I love teaching in our district because it's helped our students adapt and grow in all of the different ways that we have social emotional learning. It's helped our community, I think, greatly with improving how we teach our students and how we get them to adapt into today's society. I really love that we create classroom communities in our own schools and then bring all of our communities together, and we keep adding on with care and culture. I personally love teaching fourth grade. I think it's one of the best years, as they're not quite fifth graders getting ready to move on from the elementary school, but they still have all of the little kid learning and they still enjoy being here and have the pleasing attitude of I want my teacher to love what we do, and I put my heart and soul into every day. And I love when we learn about national parks. I love the Oregon Trail. Everything that we learn, I throw everything I got into it every day, and I really think the kids feel that. And if your teacher loves what they're teaching and loves what they're doing, I think the students love what they're learning, and they learn even more.
I love teaching kindergarten because at this age their brains are like sponges, and the growth that you see from the first day of kindergarten to the last day of kindergarten is truly amazing. When most kids come into kindergarten, they are not reading, they're not able to count past 20. By the end of kindergarten, they're reading and they know their ABCs and they're able to count well past 100. To see that growth is just amazing.